so much for joining me in today's video. This is supposed to be update number 1 for Alice in Wonderpan, correct? Yes. So this was created by Allie, who I will have linked down below. She's Wonder in Allie Land. It started March the 5th and it's supposed to go to March the 4th, 2023. It's rolling style and you can choose how many products you want to work on. So I had picked, I think, 4 products to work on, but I only worked on 1 because I forgot about the other ones, and then one of them didn't work and I ended up passing it on to Rob. So what I've decided to do is start from scratch. So we're going to pretend that the month of March didn't happen and we're going to start this project all over. It was either that or just stop doing it, and I don't want to do that. I've already committed, I've already started. I just need to make sure that I am paying closer attention to what's going on in my life and what's going on in my makeup table. So yeah, and I may need to pick some different products with my prompts. If you didn't know, when I decided to do a prompt-based kind of rolling style project, I will sit down and pick out products for all the prompts. That's kind of the only way I can really keep myself organized. But clearly that didn't work out this time, clearly. So this project is all about Alice in Wonderland, as you could have guessed. There are, I want to say 19 prompts, and I am going to go ahead and choose 4 or 5. Let's do 4 because I'm up to 10 in my musical painting one that I think I updated on Monday. Okay, so I am going to bring up my Pretty Random app and we are going to pick the prompts and then we'll pick products, and I'll try to make sure that I am doing what isn't going to interfere with everything else or conflict. That way I can give this project the time it deserves. Am I making any sense? Probably not. Probably not. Okay, so I have it numbered 2 through 20 because on my spreadsheet it starts with 2 because there's a header. So we're going to pick 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 2 is Alice, a childlike product, scent, flavor, packaging, etc. Okay. Number 20 is the very last one. No, not all who wonder are lost. A product you discovered by accident or wondered upon recently. Okay. Number 11. So my numbers, of course, are different. Number 11 is why sometimes I believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast. A product with an impossible goal. And then number 7, who are you? A product you have no idea where it came from or where you got it. Okay. I feel like I pulled that the last time and then didn't even do anything with it. Let me go grab these. I'll be right back. All right. So I have found my products for my prompts. I'm going to read them in how they are in numerical order on my sheet. So the first one is Alice, a childlike product, either scent, flavor, or packaging. I'm bringing in this. This is the Rare Beauty Mini Blush in Hope. I'm currently working on the mini one in Bliss and then the bigger one for 10 uses. My goal for this one's going to be to finish it. It's a really pretty shade. It's very much a neutral, and it's probably one of my favorites. Really pretty. My goal is actually going to be to finish this. So we'll see how far we get. The next one is number 7. Who are you? A product you have no idea where it came from or where you got it. And I'm going to bring in this. This is the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss. This probably came in a BoxyCharm if I had to guess, but it's basically the only thing in my collection that I really don't know if I bought it from Alamar Cosmetics. Did I buy it from BoxyCharm? Was it gifted to me? I literally don't know, but we're going to have a goal to finish this. You can see where my line is. I think that's the best line of demarcation, so to speak. So yeah, so that's 2 products in to finish. Number 11, why sometimes I believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast. A product with an impossible goal. I'm gonna bring in this. This is my Mora Sun Glow and Face Body Bronzer in 002 Golden Glow. My goal is gonna be to wear off the pattern. This may take me 10 years. We'll see. This is a very beautiful bronzer. It's very glowy. This will be a really great companion bronzer to the two I'm currently working on, the Too Faced Peach and the Too Faced. So really, really pretty. Very, very pretty. It reminds me of the Laura Geller one that I'm working on in Deca Painting. So the goal again is going to be to wear off the pattern. So I will take a picture and we will track progress that way. And then last but not least, not all who wonder are lost. A product you discovered by accident or wondered upon randomly. And I'm going to bring in these. These are the Makeup Revolution times Jamie Somebody Watermelon Hydrating Under Eye Mask. I've missed having these in my routine. I always used the ones from Good Molecule. On the days that I wore makeup, I would put them on and let them set as I did my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. And I just loved the feeling in my under eyes once I did that. So yeah, that's it. So we've got 3 in to finish. So there's 30 sets. My goal is to finish all of them. I'm going to finish the blush. I'm going to finish the lip gloss, and I just want to wear off the pattern. I haven't decided if I'm going to like wear off just the star or we're going to wear off the whole entire thing. We shall see. But yeah, this is beautiful. Beautiful. And I guess Hope is one of the shinier blushes. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Make sure you check out the hashtag or the spreadsheet in the description box down below. Feel free to sign up. You do kind of have to be a fantastic lady if you want to do this one because of the prompts. But other than that, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already. I hope you have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are. Love your faces. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. The coolest motherfuckers on the planet. Ain't no need to panic. Ooh, ooh. I got a stinking mojo automatic. Ooh, ah. Compatible, creative, and yeah. Hold on, mamas. I'm gonna let you out. I know it. Awful, mamas. Awful. Keep holding you hostage. How did I get to be so mean?